Hey friends! Today I've got 5 standout finds from Costco that are absolutely worth your attention, whether you're upgrading your tools, sprucing up your home, or thinking about gift ideas. Let's dive in and see what's good, what you're getting, and whether they're worth the price. Power-built ratchet tie-downs. First up, the Power-built ratchet tie-down set 4-piece. This model measures 1.5 inches wide by 16 feet long, features heavy-duty webbing, sliding handle ratchets, and double J-hooks. It's perfect for securing cargo in trucks, trailers, or for heavy loads around the shop. At about $24.99, it's a solid deal for what you get. 2. Costco gift membership. Next, the gift of membership card from Costco. It's valued at $65 and can be redeemed toward a 1-year Gold Star membership. If you're giving a gift that keeps on giving, this one's a smart move. Let someone join the Warehouse Savings Club for a year. 3 Govee Outdoor 49.2 strip lights, $59.99 after $20 off. Now for some smart home's home improvement flair. The Govee 49.2 feet RGBIC Pro LED strip lights. They feature segmented color control, music sync mode, voice control, and DIY customization via the app. If you can catch them after that $20 prom-style discount, they become a high-value lighting upgrade. 4. DeWalt 8-gal stainless steel stealth wet-dry vacuum, $99.99. For the serious workshop or garage cleanup, the DeWalt 8-gallon stainless steel stealth wet-dry vacuum. It's built with a heavy-duty motor, versatile for both wet and dry debris, and built to last. Warehouse runner at $99.99 or thereabouts, it's a premium tool for serious users. Type S T402 dual 4K and 1080p dashcam, $99.99. Finally, for safety and tech enthusiasts, the Type S T402 dual view dashcam features 4K front plus 1080p interior camera, adaptive AI driver assistance, parking surveillance mode, and app connectivity. If it hits around $99.99, check your local Costco. It's a strong tech value. So there you have it. 5 solid finds that cover tools, tech, home improvement, and gifts. If you're shopping at Costco or browsing online, keep these in mind and definitely check local availability because things move fast. If you like this breakdown, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll be bringing more Costco deals, reviews, and smart shopping tips just for you. Thanks for watching.